Hello friends, today I am starting the biochem new topic glycolysis. In previous video I discussed about the carbohydrate and different pathways. So first pathway is glycolysis. It is very important pathway. So let's start. The first question is what is a metabolism? तो मेटाबॉलिज्म क्या है? तो मेटाबॉलिज्म इज अ केमिकल प्रोसेसेस अकरिंग विद इन द लिविंग सेल और ऑर्गेनिज्म that is essential for the regulation of the life. In metabolism, some products are broken down to produce energy for the vital process, while other substances necessary for life are synthesized. Metabolism divided into the anabolism and the catabolism. Now, metabolic pathways can be the following types. The first one is linear pathway. The example of this glycolysis. Second is cyclic pathway. The example of cyclic pathway is citric acid cycle. And the spiral pathway, this is a biosynthesis of fatty acids. Metabolic pathway divided into two types, catabolic pathway and the anabolic pathway. Catabolic pathway are involved in oxidative breakdown of the larger complex. And the anabolic pathway are involved in the synthesis of the compound. Catabolic में लार्जर कॉम्प्लेक्स का ब्रेकडाउन होता है और एनाबॉलिक में सिंथेसाइज होते हैं कंपाउंड्स. नाउ हेयर वी डिस्कस द सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे. इट इज इनरिवर्सिबल. मेटाबॉलिक पाथवेज हैव द कमिटेड स्टेप्स. अर्ली स्टेप यूनिक टू अ पाथवे एंड इनरिवर्सिबल स्टेप्स आर रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी एंड ऑफन रिजल्ट इन द फॉस्फोरेटेड कंपाउंड. मेटाबॉलिक पाथवेज आर रेगुलेटेड and these are compartmentalized. Now we start the cellular respiration glycolysis. Glycolysis, what is this? This is the sequence of the reactions converting glucose to the pyruvate or the lactate with the production of ATP. इनमें बहुत सारे सीक्वेंस रिएक्शंस के जो ग्लूकोज को लास्ट फाइनल प्रोडक्ट पायरुवेट और लैक्टेट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं वे और प्रोडक्शन करते हैं ATPs का. Here we discuss about the some features. The glycolysis takes place in all cells of the body, and it is occur in the cytoplasm. It is a process by which a glucose C6 molecule is broken down into the two molecules of pyruvate, and it is a major metabolic pathway that lacks mitochondria. The example of this RBCs, cornea, renal medullae. And it has the two phases, energy investing phase and the energy generation phase. There are total 10 steps. Start के 1 to 5 energy investing phase and the 6 to 10 energy generating phase. It is also includes formation of lactate from pyruvate. The glycolytic sequence of the reaction differ from the species to species only in the mechanism of its regulation in the subsequent metabolic fate of the pyruvate form. In aerobic organisms, glycolysis is the prelude to citric acid cycle, and it is a central pathway for glucose catabolism. Now, major pathway, glucose store होता है in the form of glycogen, starch and the sucrose, and the glucose oxidation via the pentose phosphate pathway. इसका oxidation PPP पाथवे भी बोलते हैं इसको, पेंटोस फॉस्फेट पाथवे जिसमें राइबोस 5 फॉस्फेट प्रोड्यूस होता है, और एक होता है ऑक्सीडेशन विया द ग्लाइकोलिसिस जिसमें पायरुवेट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. नाउ हेयर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टेप्स ऑफ ग्लाइकोलिसिस. ग्लाइकोलिसिस स्टार्ट विद द ग्लूकोज and we start the glucose by the help of the enzyme hexokinase or glucokinase in liver convert glucose into the glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme of phosphohexoisomerase fructose 6-phosphate. फिर fructose 6-phosphate कन्वर्ट होगा fructose 1,6-phosphate में by the help of the enzyme phosphofructokinase. And the fructose 1,6-phosphate by the help of the enzyme aldolase convert into the dihydroxyacetone phosphate and the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glycerol ग्लिसरीएल्डिहाइड 3-फॉस्फेट डिहाइड्रोजनेज कन्वर्ट कर देगा 1,3-bis फॉस्फोग्लिसरेट में. फिर फॉस्फोग्लिसरेट काइनेज कन्वर्ट करेगा 3-phosphoglycerate and by the enzyme of the phosphomutase it would be converted into 2-phosphoglycerate and by the help of the enzyme enolase it convert into the phosphoenol pyruvate and the pyruvate kinase will convert into the pyruvate. Finally 2 pyruvate units will be generated. So these are the steps of glycolysis. This is very important steps. The reaction number 1, 3 and 10 are irreversible reactions. Now the function of glycolysis. The glycolysis provide the ATP energy. Net ATP generated is 8 ATP. In reaction number 6, 2 NADH2 is released, so total 6 ATP. In reaction 7, 2 ATP is released, so 2 ATPs. In step 10, 2 ATPs are released, 2 ATPs. So total 10 ATPs and used 1 ATP in each step number 1 and 3. So 10 minus 2, 8 ATPs is total net ATP generated in glycolysis. Generate intermediate for the other pathway, hexose monophosphate pathway, glycogen synthesis, pyruvate dehydrogenase, or pyruvate dehydrogenase by the fatty acid synthesis or the Krebs cycle, and the Taq synthesis of the glycerol phosphate. And here we discuss about the some disorders of the glycolysis. ये जेनेटिक डिफिशेंसी के डिसऑर्डर्स हैं, जैसे पायरुवेट काइनेज की डिफिशेंसी और हेक्सोज काइनेज की डिफिशेंसी. ये जेनेटिक डेफिशिएंसी है तो आरबीसी लीड्स होती हैं तो हेमोलाइटिक एनीमिया की कंडीशन फॉर्म होती है. तो हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द ग्लाइकोलिसिस, देयर स्टेप्स एंड देयर डिसऑर्डर्स. सो इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ हिट द like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.